Hey everyone, Jake at Resurrection here. I'm just going to do a real quick walk around video of the 69 COPO Camaro and basically just show you, how nice the car came out. But at a later date, I am going to put together a more in-depth video and go through the history of what, the COPO cars are. I was surprised how many people didn't know what a COPO Camaro was when I told them I was working on one. So that is something I'm going to put together at a later date. But here's just a quick walk around just to show you guys how the car looks. You can see the car came out really, really nice. Really pretty color on this car for sure. This car was painted back in the early 90s, so it was showing its age. It had a lot of towel marks and just some flaws and stuff here and there. So I was able to bring back a lot of life to this paint job. It looks actually pretty fantastic considering. But I really love the color. And not to get into too much detail right now, but for those who don't know, the COPO ordered Camaros had a 427 big block in them, which it was not supposed to have. So this is essentially, to kind of just cut to the chase, this is essentially a factory ordered race car, essentially. It was built for one thing only, and that was going fast. But the cool thing about these cars is really, on the outside, kind of just look like a plain Jane Camaro for the most part. A lot of these cars even came with just plain steel wheels and hubcaps. And they didn't really look like much until you fired them up and raced somebody. So we did a bunch of work on this car. Actually, here's one of the things we did. We ceramic coated the original exhaust manifolds, repainted the emission air tubes, which is amazing that this car still has those on. That would have been the first thing to be ripped off this car and thrown in the trash, is these air injection tubes here. It's an emission, basically California emission, standard thing. And most of these cars, they bought the car, they threw those away and put headers on it or something like that. But this car retains, all of its factory equipment, which is actually outstanding. That's very, very rare to see something like that. This car's got 21,000 miles on it. The underneath's just as pretty. I'll show the underneath in another video. But yeah, that gives you just a quick walk around so you can see the car. Super special car. It was really a thrill to get to work on it. So more info coming soon on these, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.